Here's how you can create a cloth simulation for a robe or ghost figure in Blender. And to begin, you'll need a human body mesh. Select the body and add a collision modifier so the cloth can interact with it. Add a plane and scale it up. After adjusting the scale, and don't forget to apply the scale, now we have to subdivide the plane. Subdivide it around something 70 to 80 times. Add a cloth modifier and follow the settings with me. Increase the quality steps to 10. Now scroll down to stiffness and damping. Increase the bending to something 2. Now in the collision tab, enable the self collision and adjust the settings. This one something 0.001 and this one is 0.005 and increase the quality also something around 15. If the cloth still look rough, add a subdivision surface modifier and shade it smooth to make it look softer. Now I am adjusting it along the y-axis because I want the cloth to cover more of the back area. And where the character head will be, we need to select a few vertices from the cloth to create a in group. So select some vertices in that area and now go to vertex group and click assign to save the selection. Okay, now then in the cloth modifier settings, scroll down to this vertex group under the pinning section, select it. Now this will keep the cloth attached to the head. Okay, now press play again. Okay, so for me it's good. And when you find a frame where the cloth look right, just pause and apply the modifier at that point.